Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So today, we are in a 2021 Toyota Highlander, and this vehicle comes with an auto start stop feature, which automatically turns off the engine when sitting at a stoplight. So today, we are going to be installing a bypass for this feature. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We will first start by opening up the center panel and prying upwards at the side of these trim pieces until they pop off. Once those two trim pieces have been removed, there are small red tabs on either side of this plastic piece, which need to be pressed in and then pushed outwards to disengage. After those pieces have been removed, you could take your dash removal tool and begin prying at the side of this dash piece, working your way around the perimeter until the center piece comes forward. After disengaging all the clips, I would recommend to push this panel forward so that the edge of the cup holder comes up to the lip of this piece. Then work one corner up and around this edge, and the second corner up and around that edge as well. After doing so, the piece should be free. The switch we are bypassing is below this button right here at this connector, and you will simply press on the tab on the front and pull it downwards toward you to release it. After that, you can interface the harness directly into the bypass device, then plug the device back into its original location on the right. From there, reinstallation is the reverse of removal, in which we would move this trim piece forward, work the edges of these trim back around these knobs, reinstall this front piece back into its retaining clips, and clip these trim pieces back into place. And after that, the installation should be complete. And as we can see, when we turn the vehicle on, the auto start stop function is off automatically. And there you have it. That is the procedure for installing an auto start stop bypass kit in a 2021 Toyota Highlander. A list of compatible vehicles will be placed in the description. If you have any questions regarding this process, feel free to leave a comment, and also please consider subscribing as it helps the channel a lot. But in any case, thank you all for watching. I hope this video was useful, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.